Create a delivery. This process step show you how to create the delivery. Open Create Outbound Delivery from Sales Order. The Create Outbound Deliveries from Sales Orders screen display. Search Sales Orders. Make the following entries and choose Go. Shipping point, claim creation date, or your order. And then click on Go. In this case, this creates a delivery overview screen display with your sales order or several sales orders that you have limited with your filter. So, plan and creation date by default, okay, today and tomorrow. You can add, for example, your sales organization, your distribution channel, and your division, and, for example, the sales document type. And you check that the sales order due for delivery, your sales order is displayed. That is my case. That is the sales order 289. Okay, so for that, I just have to select my sales order item and choose Create Delivery. I select my sales order and I click on Create Delivery. Creation of a delivery is triggered. Choose Display Log and display log. The Analyze Delivery Log screen display. Delivery is created successfully or not, with delivery number or not, show on the Delivery tab. So I see that the delivery, no message, that the delivery 8000248 been created. Okay. Then perform picking. So this step shows you how to take goods from a storage location and staging the right quantity in a picking area where the goods are prepared for shipping. We are in a case with a storage location managed by MM and not by AIWM. So you can use, for example, two application. My Outbound Delivery Monitor is a WebKey application, or we can use Manage Outbound Delivery. So take an example with my Outbound Delivery Monitor that is equivalent to VL060. So my Outbound Delivery Monitor. Go back. Sorry. VL060. Manage Outbound Delivery. Okay, here we are. The Manage Outbound Delivery screen display. On the Outbound Delivery Monitor screen, choose for picking. Okay. On the Manage Outbound Delivery screen, make the following entries. Your shipping point. My shipping point is CD1, CDA1. Okay. Choose only picking without WM and choose execute. On the day workload for picking stream, select your outbound delivery and choose select and choose outbound delivery. Change outbound delivery. Then on the outbound delivery change overview screen, choose picking tab and enter quantity in the picked quantity field. Picking status is set to complete process if pick quantity and delivery quantity are equal. Deviation in quantity can be solved by copy pack quantity as delivery quantity function. Then choose save. Okay, fully pick it. Okay, it's good. Statue review, and I save. Okay, outbound delivery has been saved. Okay, right now, post queued issue. This process step show you how to post a queued issue. We stay, for example, in a workload for picking, we go back, and this time, instead of to for picking, we understand for a good issue. We do the same things. I select my tipping point, CDA1, and I click on execute. Okay, mark the relevant delivery and choose post good issue. Select today's date in the dialog box. You leave it like this by default. Choose continue. The good issue is posted to stock in transit of delivering company, for example, 1210. The other follow on good movement are posted or scheduled for later posting according to the transfer or control date. Execute the step display intercompany sales order value chain to check the status of advanced intercompany sales value chain. It depends if you are a standard or advanced. Okay? I click on continue. Okay, it's green. Perfect.